This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating the repository and giving access to your team so work can start immediately. Once the repo exists, invite collaborators and assign the right permission level. This prevents accidental deletions. Then, initialize a main branch locally, commit your initial code, and push to GitHub so everyone has a single source of truth. Make sure to add a clear README and git ignore to reduce noise. This sets the groundwork so branching and reviews work smoothly. Next, you'll follow a branching strategy to isolate work and simplify reviews. Create a short-lived feature branch for each task and push it. That keeps main stable. Open a pull request and request teammates as reviewers, explaining the why behind changes. Once CI runs and flags issues, fix them on the same branch so history stays tidy. Use rebase or squash merges per your convention to keep commits readable. This organized flow reduces conflicts and speeds delivery. Finally, merge completed work after approvals and passing checks, and choose the merge method your team prefers to maintain clear history. Tag releases and update the changelog so everyone knows what changed, then trigger deployment or handoff. If something breaks, act quickly. Fetch the latest, rebase your branch, or create a revert PR to roll back the bad merge. Make sure to communicate the issue in the team channel and document the fix, so the same problem is easier to diagnose next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.